taking a look at shares of NVDA. They are lower right now by about 1.4%. This coming after a report from The Information highlighting overheating issues with its latest Blackwell AI servers. Now, this comes ahead of Nvidia's big third quarter earnings report Wednesday. And we want to make sure that you're prepared to talk all about the AI darling with your friends, your family, your coworkers as we head into the holiday season. Here with more, we've got Yahoo Finance tech editor Dan Howley. Dan, great to see you here this morning. You're prepared with 3 things that people should know about the company.
Yeah, Brad, let's just go over kind of the basics. First of all, Nvidia was a company that started basically for video games. They were releasing these graphics cards. They say that they're the first ones to release a quote-unquote graphics card years ago. And so they've been in that space forever. But the company started to kind of turn a corner more recently when their investments in AI started to pay off. They were investing in AI for a while on the strength of those cards and their ability to do parallel processing. And because of that, they were able to perform AI tasks far faster than a normal CPU would do. That's the chip that you have that really powers your computer itself or a server itself, the graphics card. Normally, again, that's for video games, but they managed to find out a way where it's helpful for AI, and that's kind of where they are for now. The stock price for the company, by the way, has just rocketed on the AI boom. When ChatGPT came public in 2022, we started seeing more companies investing, and as a result, those companies needed chips to be able to power those kinds of AI applications. And they went to the top dog in that space, and that's NVIDIA. And so that's why the stock price has just ripped so far and why its revenue has jumped so high. And then the third thing to keep in mind for this coming earnings is Blackwell. Blackwell is NVIDIA's latest and greatest chip. It's starting to be shipped out now, and it really is something that companies are looking at as kind of a game changer as far as performance goes. Their prior Hopper chip is out. It's been out for a while. This is the next generation of that. NVIDIA says it's the most advanced chip ever created. And so this is going to be an important part of the earnings report as to how many units they expect to sell, how many they can deliver, and what the revenue is going to look like on that for the coming fiscal year. So they're going to be reporting that, and analysts are going to have a lot of questions. I know you mentioned the overheating issue that The Information had discussed. So they're going to be looking at those kinds of questions and looking to see what Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA, has to say.
All right, Dan, thanks so much. A lot to keep tabs on with this name, of course, a bellwether and a poster child for AI. Good to check in with you, Dan.